Ever wish you could change the color of your Ferrari? With Exuviate, you can. So we've just finished applying the base layer of Exuviate to a lot of these Ferrari Pista parts that we're doing the color change on. This particular layer is what gives it that strength and durability, kind of like traditional paint protection film. Helps prevent things like the rock chips and gives it that impact resistance as well. Helps protect that paint, that silver paint underneath, while still being completely peelable later on.
this vision.
Now we've got all the Exuviate on the vehicle, and it's now in our reassembly stage. Very similar to like a traditional vinyl wrap where the bumper would come off, the doors, things like that to get complete and full coverage. It's the same process. So car has been fully disassembled, sprayed all the product or all the pieces with our Exuviate paint protection spray. We went with a color called Black Diamond, which is traditionally a gloss color with a really heavy metallic. But as you can see, we went with a matte finish on the Exuviate. But unlike traditional vinyl wrap, with Exuviate, there are zero seams, there's no edges. In some of the more complex areas, like this bumper or even the scoop here on the hood that would traditionally have to have inlays on it, there are none. It's completely as if the car was painted like this from the factory. But you can also completely peel it away, and while it's on, it's also protecting the original silver paint underneath. So you get protection and customization and a flawless finish all in one with Exuviate. So now we've finished our latest Exuviate project, this Ferrari 488 Pista. It came to us silver with some basic blue stripes on it. Nice looking car. Customer did not like the silver, so wanted to change it to something really unique. We actually originally played with the idea of doing colored PPF on this particular vehicle, but it just was not the car for that. With all the complexity of the curves and all the different angles on this car, vinyl and PPF are just going to have a lot of seams and unnatural gaps and inlays, things like that. In order to get complete coverage, didn't really have the cleanest look that we could get. So we actually went with Exuviate, made sure that we get our full sprayed on paint protection film, and in between those protections of layer, we actually did this full color that you see here behind me. It's actually a really nice high metallic black. We went with a matte finish over top of it just to kind of, again, make it a little more custom, but still protecting that silver paint that's underneath. Finish it off, we actually did some custom stripes here for the customer, kind of some heritage stripes for himself, and customer absolutely loves the results. So we're super excited to get it back to him and show you guys just another example of what's possible with Exuviate that you might not be able to get with traditional vinyl or color change PPF. So if you're looking for the next level in customization for your ride, come see us at iX Exotics.